Kamusta? Magandang buhay! Cherry Chan Taiwan Warrior is back! Guys, mag-unboxing tayo today. I was so excited! Na to, kasi ilang days na to dumating sa akin at ngayon ko lang siya i-unboxing. First time ko kasi mag-order ng Korean beauty product. Ooh, pop! Beauty product! Gusto niyo yan? Gusto ko yun! Okay?
Yeah!
So, let's do this! Wait lang po. Oops! Guess who's under my back? Tapos pala yung aking locker sa likod. May sumisilip. Walaan niyo. Sige siya. Guys, wala akong dalang stand ngayon. Kaya, sige, gusto mo yan, girl. Face lang. Para-paraan. Ito natin, guys, yung ating Korean beauty product. How to open this? Pasensya, malikot ang aking pa. Oh my God! What are you doing, Cherry?
Come on!
Wait lang. I can do this. Right, guys. So, ayan na siya. Na-open ko na. One bare hand. Sariling sikap tayo. Wala tayong stand. Okay. And then,
Yeah!
oh my God! Excited na me! My first Korean product. Beauty product. I mean, Yahoo! What? It's so big. Good. This is the brand. Snail Tone Up Cream. Permanent Beauty. Alright. And then, the other one. Ooh! Meron pa tayong free na face mask, guys. Wow! Frogelin Horse Placenta. Hydraulic acid collagen protein. Salmon rose stem cells. Ooh! Cord blood stem cells. Perfect. I haven't tried this. Let's see. So, yan. And then here's the box number 2. And fresh from delivery pa to. I know, it's not fresh actually. Kailan lang. 2 days na ata or 3 days na to dumating. And so guys, ito yung kanyang sealed with a kiss. Oh my. Nagpukal ko na siya. Wait. Sorry, malikot yung aking kamay. And here we go. Oh my God! Sorry, hindi sanay mag-review ng beauty product, guys. And yan na siya. Okay. Kita niyo? Excited na tayo. Ito, guys. Now, please. Okay, nagugulat. Ang ating mga chismis na tinatago. Ayan sila, guys. Ang dami nila dyan. There. And then, all over the face. Ang daming chismis na nagkalat. Okay. So, yun yung ating naked face. Ayan, pasensya, kailangan natin mag-face mask dahil one of our protocol here, nasa office tayo, duty pa. And that's it for today. I hope this product or these items can help my dark spots, I would say. Then, tingnan natin. I was excited also using this face mask. Pang RK to, guys. First time natin to i-try. Collagen protein ng may hydraulic acid and my cord blood stem cells. O, diba? Pang RK lang yan. Well, anyway, update ko kayo sa day 1, 2, ano yung sabi niya doon? Parang 1 to 30 days or let's see kung 10 days meron na tayong improvement. And then, update ko kayo. Salamat po ng marami sa pagtsatsagang manood sa aking malikot na kamay. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you'll be notified every time mayroon tayong bagong videos. And guys, please also don't forget to support my husband's our first channel, Mexi TV, I mean. And shoutout sa aking mga family, sa Vloggers 21, sa team ni Irish USA, kay team Bicol Canada, and Pinay Canadian Hilaw, kay Ma'am Lornek. Sa Vloggers 21, hindi ko na po kayo isa-isahin, basta lahat-lahat kayo. Shoutout po sa inyo, kay Ma'am Joy, kay Ma'am Jen, kay Sir Random, and sa lahat. Hindi ko na maisa-isa, sorry na po. Sa aming pinanasa Vloggers 21 naman na sa June, kay Ma'am Mayat, kay Ma'am Linda, kay Ma'am Kilang Simple Life, kay Ma'am Jen GM, sino pa? Ang dami nila, grabe. Basta sobrang thank you po.